Hi, hello, this is Fiza from 6th standard from Nalanda English Medium High School. Today my topic is about a volcano. Volcanoes are very dangerous. Volcanoes can grow quickly. The danger area around a volcano can cover 20-mile radius. Volcanoes can hold very hot liquid called magma. After the magma left the volcano, it is called lava. When a volcano erupts, lava, ash and gas is expelled from it. Like this, the largest volcano on Earth is in Hawaii. There are around 1500 active volcanoes in the world. Once the lava has cooled down, it will be turned into a solid rock. Thank you.